HArmonyCa is a hybrid injectable composed of synthetic calcium hydroxyapatite microspheres suspended in a cross-linked sodium hyaluronate gel. When HArmonyCa is injected deep into the dermal and subdermal layers, hyaluronic acid particles diffuse between collagen fibers of the lower dermal layer, creating volume for an immediate lifting effect. Simultaneously, calcium hydroxyapatite microspheres begin working deep within the dermis, forming a scaffold that supports internal growth of fibroblasts, which gradually deposit extracellular matrix components supporting the body's own collagen production and form collagen fibers as early as 1 week, helping to anchor the microspheres in place. As the carrier gel is degraded over time, a firm and dense collagen framework is built in its place for a gradual, long-lasting lift associated with calcium hydroxyapatite. The hyaluronic acid and calcium hydroxyapatite in HArmonyCa results in a clinically significant improvement in 86% of treated facial areas, with more than 90% of patients experiencing improvements in treated areas. Welcome to the future of hybrid injectables.